Today we're going to do some thoughts about analysis on ONDS Holdings Incorporated. These are stocks. And we'll start from the weekly time frame. So as usual, we'll identify our zones. Our zones are regions of prices, found support zone, or resistance zone, or even better, support zone resistance. You can see that price found support here. In fact, price even found resistance here. So this is another zone. Price found resistance zone support on this level multiple times. So we have a zone here. And that's what these regions are very far away from the recent price action. So there's always a question of whether or not marking out these zones is relevant. But even if for no other reasons, for the sake of practice, we'll just mark out all our appropriate zones. For the sake of practice, if nothing else. Okay, so let's go down to the daily time frame. You can already see that there's a trend line that can be drawn across these points. Like this. It's our daily trend line. We also have a daily zone here. We also have another daily zone here. You can see price bounced above this level twice, showed this level some respect, bounced above it a second time, passed through it and showed it respect, bounced above it again, and came close to it here. So this is a relevant zone. There might be another zone here, but it's not very clear. Okay. So we've identified our zones. Let's identify our market structure in the daily time frame. This will be our trend origin. So we have trend origin, and then we have impulsive, correctional, impulsive. Okay, now we have impulsive, correctional, impulsive, somewhere here, correctional here, impulsive here, correctional here, impulsive here, correctional here. The correctional is almost at exactly the same level. Then we have an impulsive voltage here. The price is currently still on. Price is currently still in a strong impulsive move. The funny thing is how strong impulsive moves are really difficult to enter trades because not only can the impulsive move end at any time, not only can the impulsive move end at any time, it's not going to estimate how far it will go. Okay, let's also identify our higher highs. identify our higher highs. So we can potentially spot any patterns the price shows us before we switch from an impulsive phase to a correctional phase. Let's delete this. Okay, so now we'll go on to the 4 hour time frame to see what extra details we can find. First of all, we can see price shows us something like a W pattern here. It's quite wide, but price shows us another one here. Price shows us another one here. The reason why I'm always switching between my line chart and my candlestick chart is because line charts make it much easier for us to identify chart patterns. You can see a W here, you can see a W here, you can see a W here. It's easier to spot W's on chart patterns. You can see another one here. You can see another one here. But this is the real one here. So you can see a W around here. So we know that whenever we spot a W, that means that price is probably about to start an impulsive move. So now let's see if we can notice any patterns that price prints out when an impulsive move has reached its end. You can see simulated over an M pattern here, although it's not a very clean M pattern, but it's much clearer on the line candlestick, on the line chart. I mean, we have another one here. M pattern. We have another one here. We have one here. But then if you look at it from a larger time frame, we actually have one here like this. So if price does this, if price shows us an M pattern, that means I will be looking to short this pair. If price shows us an M pattern, that means I will be looking to sell this pair for a bit here, because each of the M patterns was only good for a slight retracement. Price did not fall by a large amount. This impulsive move is significantly larger than the rest, so the retracement would probably also be significantly larger. So let's just think about here. And if price were to print a W here, or price were to tank and print a W here, then we'll be looking to buy. But right now we're hoping to see an M here. Let's not see open right now, we're just waiting. And if we see an M here, then we sell. So that's it on top to bottom analysis on ONDS Stocks Incorporated.